Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Yamasaki DB50, and as the name probably gives it away, it is a 50cc geared bike. Now, something the market's been lacking of late. We get loads and loads of questions about geared 50cc bikes, and Yamasaki is the solution for us. So they do a complete range of bikes. They do a sport bike, a naked, etc, etc. This is obviously a Supermoto, so you can ride this on L plates on a CBT at 16 years old, which is awesome because this looks absolutely mega. Looks very much like a Kawasaki, coincidentally, and I'm sure there's absolutely no coincidence in the name. It comes with a year's parts warranty, and we do offer a third-party warranty that also covers breakdown and recovery, etc. as well. So like I say, 50cc bike, 17-inch wheels. It's a proper size bike, quite a tall seat height these, so it does tend to suit, you know, larger riders. For smaller riders, there's a couple of other options on the website as well. Just a single disc on the left-hand side. It's a really lightweight bike, doesn't need loads of braking power, as you can imagine. It's an interesting engine. This is based on the Honda Cub engine, so it's sleeved obviously down to a 50cc, but you can actually de-restrict these to a 125. So it's quite an interesting bike because you can actually change the head, and you know, if you were to turn 17 or you know whatever and want to you know move up to a 125 on the same bike, you can actually change the head on this. So it's quite interesting. Obviously you can see the kick start there. It's actually an electric start, but obviously the kick start's there just in case you do run the battery down. And as I go towards the back, I mean, it's a proper motocross looking style back end, really cool. 17-inch wheel with a single pot and single disc on the back there. Obviously chain driven, as you'd expect. Really cool little LED headlights, LED indicators. I mean, it's a really nice little bike, to be honest. Obviously they're a little bit underpowered, as you'd expect at 16, but there are ways and means of de-restricting these with the manufacturer if that was something that you're interested in. But yeah, really nice bit of kit. I mean, really well built for the price point. Yeah, really quite impressed with this brand. So we're relatively new to the Yamasaki brand. Obviously we're well known for our sort of 125s and our relationship with some other manufacturers and stuff, but this is quite new to us, and I have to say I'm really impressed with what you get. Really simplistic up here. Obviously the switch gear just gives you lighting control on the left hand side. It's a basic digital dash just there, and then obviously you've got your throttle controls, your kill switch and your starter switch on the right hand side. All really straightforward, which is exactly what you want when you're first getting started out on a 50cc bike. You know, it used to be back in the day that these were all 2-stroke, but obviously now being 4-stroke, you know, somewhat reduces the amount of power available to you. But like I said, there are some solutions that you can do through the manufacturer if and when you want. This is a stock bike, so it's in stock now, available for sale. We offer all the usual dealer facilities like finance, part exchange, etc. So if you're interested, you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. You can pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you got, or feel free to drop in and you can try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.